Let's solve new exercise, that is exercise 2.5. First one, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Rewrite the question, children. All the like terms one side we will take. Here x by 2 we have, RHS side also x by 3 means x term we have, then we will take one side. And here constant minus 1 by 5 we will transpose, means transpose minus 1 by 5 to the right hand side and this x by 3 to the left hand side, that is minus 1 by 5 to RHS and x by 3 to LHS. Okay. Then 2 and 3 children, after transposing x by 2 minus x by 3 it will become, because it is plus it will become minus. If it is minus it will become plus. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 it has become. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. Okay. 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. 3 into x is 3x. 2 into x is 2x. 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. In between minus, which is equal to 4 and 5 LCM we will get 20. 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20 children. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. After writing that, observe here, all are like fractions now. LHS part also like fractions we got, RHS also. 3x minus 2x divided by 6, which is equal to 5 plus 4 divided by 20. Means numerators we are going to subtract here and here adding. 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x children, which is nothing but only x. Then x by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 divided by 20. Now I am going to transpose this 6 to the right hand side because I want only variable. Okay, the value of the variable. After transposing 6 to the RHS, x is equal to 9 by 20 into 6, which is nothing but it belongs to the numerator. 9 6 are 54 divided by 20. 2 1s are 2 0, cancel it. 2 2s are 4, 1 remain. 2 7s are 14. Then x is equal to 27 by 10. Next question. X by 2 minus 3x by 4 plus 5x by 6 is equal to 21. Children, here after rewriting the question, all the like terms are one side. No need to transpose starting anything. But 2, 4 and 6. All unlike fractions children, we have to take LCM for this. LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Then 2 into 6, 12, 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12 we will get. Then 6 into x is 6x, 6 2s are 12 minus 3 3s are 9x divided by 3 4s are 12 plus 5 2s are 10x divided by 6 2s are 12 is equal to 21. RHS side only constant we have, we will write as it is. Next 6x minus 9x plus 10x divided by 12 is equal to 21. Like terms means all the three are like terms children, but first we have to add and then we will subtract. 6x plus 10x is equal to 16x minus 9x divided by 12 is equal to 21. In 16, 9 you subtract, 7 you will get, then 7x by 12 is equal to 21. Let's transpose 12 to the RHS. Transpose 12 to RHS, then 7x is equal to 21 into 12 it will become. Next transpose 7. Before going to transpose, 21 into 12 is 252. Okay, now you transpose 7 to RHS. Then x is equal to 252 divided by 7 it will become. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21 children, 4 will remain, 7 6s are 42. Then value of x is 36. Next question children. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Rewrite the question. All the like terms one side we will bring children. Here x we have, which is nothing but x divided by 1 we can consider. Here it is constant. 7 we will transpose to the right hand side. Here 8x by 3 as it is. But here minus 5x by 2 we have. This we will bring to the left hand side, that is LHS part. Transpose 7 to RHS and minus 5x by 2 to the LHS. Okay. Then x as it is you write down here, minus 8x by 3 is there, write down. And then when you will transpose minus 5x by 2 it will become plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6 remain, write down. This 7 when we will transpose minus 7 will become. Denominator nothing means we will consider 1 children. Okay. To simplify next. Okay. Here 1, 3 and 2 LCM will be 6 because 3 2s are 6. Okay. 3 and 2 are prime numbers children for that reason. And 1 into 6, 3 2s are 2 3s are. Okay. And here also it will be 6 6 then 6 1s are 1 6 are written. 6 into x 6x minus 8 2s are 16x 5 3s are 15x. Denominators are all 6. Here also 1 into 17 is 17 by 6 minus 7 6 are 42 divided by 6. All are like terms children. Let's add or subtract it. 6x minus 16x plus 15x whole divided by 6 is equal to 17 minus 42 whole divided by 6. 6 and 15 first we will add. After adding we have to subtract, okay? We will get 21x minus 16x divided by 6 is equal to, in 42 we are subtracting 17, then minus 25 we will get. Bigger integer sign, okay? Denominator is 6. Children, if you transpose 6 to the right hand side, minus 25 into 6 will become. Here 6, we can cancel it. Otherwise, both denominators are same. So, I am going to cancel here itself. The 6 and 6 are cancelled. Here 21x minus 16x remain is equal to minus 25. Okay. The same thing I will write here. Okay. Now, I am going to transpose children. No need to transpose. First you subtract it. 21x minus 16x gives 5x, which is equal to minus 25. Okay. In 21, 16 you subtract, you will get 5. The variable as it is. Now you transpose. X is equal to minus 25 by 5. Okay. When you transpose, it will come to the denominator. 5 is a 5, 5 is a 25. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5. Okay. Next question. X minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5 the given. Rewrite the question. Here I am going to cross multiply children. It will be very easy to you to solve. Okay. After cross multiplication, this 5 will go to the numerator. This 3 will go to the numerator. Means this 5 will go to LHS part and 3 will go to the right hand side. Okay. RHS part. Then 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. It has become. 5 into x is 5x, 5 5 is 25. Here outside nothing is there, means plus will be there children, plus into minus is minus. Okay. 3 into x is 3x, plus into minus is minus, 3 3s are 9. 5x minus, this 3x you transpose to the left hand side, minus 3x it will become, which is equal to minus 9. This 25, minus 25 transpose to the right hand side, plus 25 it will become. In 5x, 3x you subtract, 5 minus 3 gives 2 children. Variable as it is, that is 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 25 is equal to 16. Because in bigger integer you have subtracted 9. Okay. Bigger integer sign is plus, therefore it is positive. 25 minus 9 is 16. Now you transpose 2 to the RHS part. X is equal to 16 by 2 it will become. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are